I was monetized on my channel. Yes, I earn money on YouTube, even though when I did not receive the payments. Because when you start a YouTube channel and you get to 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch hour, and it's very hard to get to that extent in 12 months, that is 1 year. But before 12 months, I've already have my 4,000 watch hour and 1,000 subscriber plus going to 2,000. Then I will start making money on YouTube, but will not start collecting the money because of my pin. I was in 6 months. They removed, they dismonetized the channel. I was monetized my channel. It was not when I go to her house, because that's what she said. I was monetized before I go to Editorial's, but they dismonetized the channel in November. They dismonetized the channel on September. Then I went to a Mama B house on December. So when they dismonetized the channel, as she said, I put the request for my international passport and the request for NIN. They not mention the money, because the video she did about all those money, she mentioned money, which I'm going there. So, but this particular one, she did not mention the money for us to know if that is what the lady sent for me, maybe because before somebody gave you money to do business, to get big money. So she gave.
Wait for this video. Wait to the end before you drop your own opinion. Welcome to Naija Daughter TV. If today is your first time of coming across Naija Daughter TV, please subscribe. All my returning, I'm salute. In fact, I don't bale. All my subscribers, I'm loyal. Happy New Year once again. Yes, try this month. Anytime you remember, I will say Happy New Year. Yes, our beautiful sister. I tell our beautiful sister, Piston, bring your own side, come out. Let us sit down and talk about it. Yeah, man. Yeah. And he do it. Probably not too much. Aye. May I sit down? Okay, my beautiful people. Now about our two sisters, yes, they be our two sisters. You know, first of all, we face Piston to give her woto. You understand? You know, say when your sisters they do pass itself or pass herself, you know, you go tell her, say, no be so supposed to be. Now like this. Then she think when she realize. Now, Piston, she don't come out. Piston, me I tell you, I think say that talk, you know, easy. Watch your sit down video. See when they see, go no say, you know, concentrate. Yeah, let me put it like that. You know, concentrate. I be na children they there. Your children, no, you never give birth now. I be na big baby they there when they distract you, because now then you're supposed to say, reactor. See that talk people. See that talk channel. Now they try. Yes, you give us kudos. Okay. Let me tell you for that one. You see, as you come out, still talk about how everything they be, because many of us, we want to hear your own side. Then you come outside and talk about how she be your big sister and how you respect her and how you first admire her, because you know her through YouTube. She's not your village person, and she not be your papa give birth to her, no be your man give. No, you just explain those parts. Thank you for that. And you said you appreciate her. I said she help you. Thank you. Where I want to choke my mouth put when you say she lie, she not lie. Truly, as you still use your mouth to talk, you say, now for her house, you monetize. First of all, you first monetize. Then she not know. You can monetize today. Tomorrow, you not monetize again. That person will monetize, and now she monetize your channel for you. Because now she, you understand, that particular time when you take enter her house, now she monetize your channel. That is now she don't. If you fail monetize, how many years ago, then YouTube demonetize your channel. Then you now find somebody when could help you monetize your channel. Now that person monetize your channel. Yes, coach, if I wrong, mail now they free to drop their own opinion. No insult, don't insult anybody, okay? We are here to make sure say our sister Piston channel still come back to normal. Yes, now waiting me day about as far as she take talk to editorial, she said she get all proof if they go further. But for me, looking to this our sister, this lady, she said she's mature. There is something fishy. She monetize, and you don't fair monetize. Then YouTube demonetize you. Now she monetize, and that one and for that one. Another one still the when you still talk about say you know they sleep for night. You the assistant. You they work. You they do all kind of things. And both of an agreement is may she not pay you. May she use the money when she wants to pay you. May she use and help you blast your channel. And she do the thing. I know the side editorial. I not there anybody's side. I just did the middle. One, you tell your own, because you see talk as if you want, if the editorial want pay you, you know, collect 50,000. Yes, and you say you know they quit, they sleep. And you say una agreement works. Make editorial all the money when she go pay. Make she not pay you. Say make she help you. Say blast your channel. My sister, the channel she really do and be she not do am. She really help you. She give you that popular. Like person like me, for not know you today. If no be say editorial channel your, no be say I don't know you, I know you for a live stream, but a lot of people there when you know through live stream when as far as una don't go, una no dey show each other love, una no know each other again, don't pass there. Except something or she they follow you, they follow her back. Now you would say no. You see, wetin come really make me come know you now as a pastor, as a content creator, now editorial. Yes, we fit connect for live stream, but now editorial give you that YouTube famous, make people know you, make people get to know you, like editorial help, editorial assistance, editorial sister, as you they call her. You understand? Then you say you they work. Wait till editorial sit up for that her video. Maybe not try watch her. She say, Pastor na good person. Now wait till she still talk. Editorial not deny that, say she not nice. Say she's nice. Where she see say Pastor can they grow further. Now when Pastor start to they go out, go visit, he loud. Life. If they happen to husband and wife, they happen to two friends. When friend and friend that they do well, their friendship no 2 year, no year. One what I want call them krukru, they go enter. If they feel brainwash one, the other one will just the mumu they follow them. Then who's supposed to stand by you? They'll collect. If they happen to sister, some sister they'll just they happy. One kind person go just come, he go enter the center, he go scatter them, say who you be. You they do mumu, you they do this one. They will scatter them. That now what happen to pastor, so my people. I not come here, can't join whether na pastor or no be pastor. Because editorial measure, pastor was good. She was nice. Pastor, they do everything. Till she starts going out. And if now listening to this lady, this our sister, pastor, and that is explanation. Now she says she's not comfortable. Now because maybe our pressure on social media, now make she come out. But she won't explain. For her to explain, now she says she's not really comfortable. You understand? For me, waiting you talk and waiting editorial talk, nothing really big different. You know, explain say editorial, it wicked you, no? If you dey house, if they happen to mama and papa, as you still talk, you say you as your mama dey now, you know they like to leave everything. Where you for the work, now they you for it. If editorial not get anything to cook, maybe money dey your hand, you fit cook. If editorial, you fit use your money cook because now no agreement will not make. Say make she help you blast. And editorial, now big YouTuber for the social media space, and she even feature, and that is feature you for her channel, call you my sister, do all kind of things. That is the highest. Some people they pay. I get somebody when say if you pay 2 me, you know how much 2 me. I say what? They say if you pay 2 me, I'll be 3 me for that person. Your channel go like this. But to me, I don't get that strength. I don't get power. God, it go use YouTube algorithm to visit me. You understand, my sister? For me, wait till you read talk, I cannot receive only one thing when I see now be say editorial, you say she lie, say she no monetize your channel, and later she monetize your channel when you reach there, that they monetize editorial, not lie for that one. Secondly, you know they quit, they sleep. Now the work, normal, if editorial receive house girl, you take house girl, you go to help her and they wash clothes, you go to help her and they cook, you go still help her and take care of children. You understand? And the thing when they do, the money when she's supposed to pay you, she can't use and they feature you for her channel because you want big. Everybody can do what you know. They see social media space now. Some people they put their loto for social media to get this famous. Some people they do vulgar people husband when wife buy they will still come outside. Many things they happen. Maybe Victoria money may she give you supposed to be 80,000. Then Victoria give you 70,000. Borrow 10,000 for it. I cause they will pay you later. I not come pay you. My beautiful sister Victoria. You see this life. They say when they say they play, it is sweet. They don't know the time when quarrel go take come. You they say, for me, I hate stain. You know anything stain. Because this girl, normal, maybe when she give you, we not dead there, two eye not see her. The person when sent, you see as she and talk that part now. She want the person to talk how much she really give you, whether not that money when you really give her, whether not the money, she wants make that person come out now talk. If na no, we not forget her. And secondly, as they give you that money, as me looking, me saying that 10,000 be your problem. Why can't you just give her money? And for me, you know that thing, you know, for no let her stain you, for no let her stain you at all. And when you say she they go, she want come up for your house, that 10,000, you package just say, take your money. Yes, you go package her. And she said she get evidence of how you insult her. Two sister and sister they quarrel. Yes, sister and sister they quarrel. But my sister Piston, when she come they call you, say she want to recover her china. You don't talk that part. Where for me, may una settle una accept. Please, Piston and editorial, as we don't see here from you, you not really see anything you talk to editorial, do you pass for say editorial take your money, 10,000, and you know they quit, they sleep, children, and you still talk and say you love the children. You see, now just for me, as I look you, something is behind it. Wait till editorial really talk say now when you start to dey go outside, now you start, it's like when God said, Adam and Eve not eat this fruit, so then Eve can't eat and your eye can't open, you know, something like that. Now you do. And you see talk about my beautiful sister Piston, you say editorial go say make you make video for her, e go fair post her before you go post. My sister na her house. Sorry if this one offend you. Na her house. For me, if na me dey your shoe, I no mind. I go film, I go post am, I go collect am, still post for my channel. I dey see people when they post the same thing. Editorial sef, somebody will talk about say they post the same thing. Me personal, I write down for somebody comment section say at least make they go look Nello and their sister say if this one collect this part, this one collect this part, at least some go be different, no be the same things. All of them go put on. But you not be sister, you not be anybody to her. Then why she, if not be still, are you not supposed to vex? Yes, not supposed to vex. As she even upload that content for me, I go remove some part, I go check and put some. I will put on. People go watch her. You know, if you tell the owner of the house, say, no, now. No, you say she lie for that part. Say, I will come say, you know, whether she lie, she not lie. That one in her own house. You understand? I know say they work. Now we're paying for the work, now for the eat. You're supposed to eat there. When on arrangement they go on. You see what they do secret, supposed to be secret. We're not supposed to solve everything for inside house. We come out on social media. As people go, they give editorial woto, they give you woto. One of your statements for the end, it touch you when you say, I know say nobody know you. God know you. Okay? We love you. Like me, I love you. As a child of God, in fact, God's creator, when you be, I love you for who you are, my beautiful sister. You are doing well for yourself. People love me. Say I vex for you. No, that word, it touched me and it makes my heart. Okay, me personally, I like you as a human being. I love you as a God creator. Okay, I love you. Not look yourself. Say nobody will hear you. Nobody. All for me, I hear you. I see your part. You not really get anything when Victoria do you. Please, may una settle this matter. Yes, Piston, she don't come. Please, if there is message to you, if you mistakenly watch this my video or somebody cut this part for you, please help her. Okay, I know you are a Christian. Wait till our love Jesus Christ talk. Rather help. If they slap for this side, that one go hard. Turn the other side. You understand? But not be like that. But please and please let this matter die down. Okay, embrace them with love. Forget side talk. Forget they say. Everybody, I still talk. You Piston, call editorial. Okay, try call her. Apologize to her. Call grandma too. Try reach somebody when they close to her. She even the grandma side now. Call grandma. True grandma go settle now. I believe say grandma don't dey inside. I pray say make grandma don't dey inside. Make try to settle now. Okay, no na comot this matter for social media. Me, I don't hear your part. You don't really get with editorial, do you? Yes, for me, I don't really see with editorial do you when you say now go take vet for each other. Now take the no, you not rich. Okay, Piston, please. As I see the talk, carry your feather, come down. Don't let anybody push you. This word is deep. Yes, you know. You go see people when they clap and follow you. When you come say, now I want swim, now I want dance, you'll see all of them wrong. Go back. Who they want people progress? Out of 100, maybe now 0.5%. My sister, that patient when you get, when you stay with her for that 4 months, if you use and stay with her, so they say passport, this, that. If you just patient, make everything come, go out well. As your God, they call you, come work. If na me, no be quarrel for take comot. Na peace for take comot. You understand? You let her know say somebody they come when you know say you know they collect money. You collect money, not collect money. Now two arrangement as you see they talk, as your friends see they talk, say she go help you blast your channel, and she really blast now. You say you don't get 5,000 subscribers, but the only thing when they pay me, make the channel monetize so that all the stress when you pass through, may you start today. Enjoy your sweat. Yeah, that is now wait till I get to talk. My people, now this 2 cents I get to talk. Our sister Pista, not really see strong something when you say editorial. Okay, now be that. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Editorial, please also forgive her. Okay, do normal. Nobody good go kill her. Yes, you open door for her. You welcome her. You say you do not want to measure. That one I want talk. You open door for her. You welcome her. You embrace her. Only that one alone. Kudos to you. Okay. Yes, may una make peace, not to war. This is 2023 January. We dey here. Anyone will come out. If we dey sleep, we wake up.